Hi, I'm Deb Powers. I'm the urban forest planner for the city of Edmonds. I'm also a certified arborist, and I had the pleasure of identifying all the trees that were on this year's 2022 garden tour. And at that time, we had noticed, boy, there are a lot of trees that are going to have some awesome fall color. So we just wanted to feature some of these trees and let you know a little bit about fall color, how it manifests itself in foliage color, and then also to give you an idea of maybe some trees that you might like to feature in your garden. So right behind me is a Stewartia Pseudocamellia. That is a Japanese, or sometimes called a Korean, Stewartia. It is a fabulous tree for all seasons because it has a great zigzaggy stem branching pattern. So even when it's not in leaf in the wintertime, it's interesting. When it leaves out, it's really pretty as it leaves out a real light green color leaf. It blooms in the summer, which is a little bit, past the typical spring bloom, so that you get to see these really pretty, and it's called Pseudocamellia, false camellia, because the flowers look like a camellia. So they're white, and then they have yellow stamens in the center, just like a camellia has. Slightly fragrant, and then in the fall, it has this spectacular fall color. So a little word on fall color. A lot of people don't realize that the bright, brilliant reds and oranges and yellows, that pigment is always in the leaf surface, or within the leaf all year round. It's only when the nights get longer and other weather conditions that the chlorophyll, that's the green pigment inside of leaves, that starts to slow down its production, the chlorophyll production, and it actually stops, and then the chlorophyll dies away, so that you see the red and the orange and the yellow pigment that's been there all along, all through the year. So that's how fall color emerges, and it's triggered by the lengthening nighttime and the weather conditions, moisture in the soil. It can vary from one species to the next. Fall color does. So your maples might color up at one time, where your oaks may color up at another time, and then even within a single genus, different maples might color up at different times, and then even within the specific cultivated varieties, there can be some genetic variability. So that might be an important thing to remember when you're interested in adding fall foliage color to your garden, to shop for your tree in the fall, so you can see exactly how the tree colors up, typically speaking.